Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 24 canvas and I am going to be using these colors here. First I've got white, it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And next I've got black, and that is black from the Fine Touch. And next is bronze, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And then I have this color. I love this color a lot. It's Metallic Cobalt Blue from Artist Loft. And then I've got copper, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics as well. So I'm going to do, I think, 3 flip cups on here today, and I will be adding a little bit of 3-in-1 silicone in between layers of the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're going to go in for the close-up. This painting turned out phenomenal. I really, really like this. This may be one of my top favorites. There's just a little bit of everything. I've got lacing right throughout there. I love how that blended. And then there's, of course, there's little cells. There's not big cells, but there's a lot of little. I really like this white and copper through the middle. I really do like that. And then I've got more cells up through here, this section, but then on the very end is a bunch of lacing. There's some random cells through it, but I love the lacing. I think it looks really, really cool. All right, so very, very happy with this painting. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.